most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of e to the power 10 inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. So for this type of question, simple technique is what you know well. Derivative of 10 inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So just put t equal to what? 10 inverse x. Now you find dt by dx. Derivative of 10 inverse is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So you can find dx equal to what? 1 plus x square dt. So integration of this e to the power t, and this is given 1 plus x square, and this is dx is what? 1 plus x square dt. So this is cancel out. You will get integration of et is what? Et plus c. So t is given what? 10 inverse a. So e to the power 10 inverse x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1. So for this type of questions, first of all you simplify. Divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. So when we will divide this number e to the power x, we will get what? E to the power 2x minus x, that is ex, minus e to 1 by e to the power is what? E to the power minus x. Again e to the power x divide ex, we will get what? E to the power x. And again 1 by ex is what? E to the power minus x dx. Now you know in different derivative of this will be what? Upper number. So you can put that t equal to what? E to the power x plus e minus. So when we find dt by dx, we will get ex derivative ex, and e to the power minus x derivative what? E minus x into minus 1. So we can find this number e to the power x and minus e minus a. So dx will be what? That is dt upon e to the power x minus e minus. So just put the value integration of ex minus e minus a. So just put this ex minus e minus a. And here ex plus e minus t. So write here t. And this is dx is what? That is dt upon e to the power x minus e minus a. So this and this cancel out. You will get what? Integration of 1 by t dt is what? That is log of t plus c. So we know t is what? E to the power. So just put the value of t, e power x plus e minus x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of e to the power 2x minus e minus 2x divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. So we know derivative of this denominator is equal to numerator. So just put t equal to e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. So derivative of dt by dx is what? E to the power 2x, e 2x multiply 2. And plus e to the power minus 2x multiply minus 2. So we will get what? 2 e to the power 2x minus 2 e to the power minus 2. So we can find dx equal to what? Dt upon 2 into e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2. So just put the value e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x. And it is given that is the t, and we can write here dt upon 2 into e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2. So this and this cancel. 1 by 2 is constant, and integration of 1 by t is what? Log t plus c. So correct answer will be what? 1 by 2 log. T is given what? E to the power 2x and plus e to the power minus 2x plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of 10 square 2x minus 3d. So for this type of question, 10 square is given. Just to convert 10 square into sec square. So we know 10 square theta is what? 1 plus 10 square theta sec square theta. So said 10 square theta will be sec square theta minus 1. So we will get what? Sec square, that is 2x minus 3 minus 1 dx, right? So now we know integration of sec square is what? 10x. So we will get 10, that is 2x minus 3. And here coefficient of x is 2, so just divide by 2. And minus integration of 1 dx. So integration of 1 is what? X plus c. So our correct answer is 10 to x minus 3 by 2 minus x plus c is our right answer. Integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of sec square 7 minus 488. So very simple technique and basic rule for this type of question is what? You know, integration of sec square x is what? 10x. So this will be what? 10 7 minus 4x. But here coefficient of x is what? Minus 4. So just divide the coefficient by coefficient of x, that is minus 4, and plus c, that is constant of integration. So integration of sec square dx, sec square 7 minus 4x, this is what? 10 7 minus 4x upon minus 4 plus c. So you can write minus 1 by 4, and this is 10 7 minus 4x plus c. This is our correct answer.